Something happened in real estate industry this week that I need to talk about because it directly affects anyone buying or selling a home. If you have an agent who hasn't explained this to you yet, that's a problem. Let's fix that. I am Julia Sosa-Rocha, associate broker with eXp Realty here in Georgia. 22 years in this market. This week has been one of the most significant news weeks I've seen in a long time for this industry. Here is what's happened. Compass now is the largest real estate brokerage in the country after acquiring Anywhere Real Estate, spent 9 months suing Zillow in federal court. Their argument was that Zillow was abusing its market power by effectively banning listings that appeared on Compass's website before they appear on Zillow. The federal judge denied the injunction in February. Compass lost, and this week they dropped the case entirely. The very same day, Zillow announced a brand new product called Zillow Preview and signed 3-year deals with Keller Williams, RE/MAX, HomeServices of America, and several others. Under those deals, coming soon listings from those companies will appear exclusively on Zillow before they hit the MLS. And within hours, every recruiter in the industry started calling agents at other brokerages saying, "You need to be with us. We have the Zillow deals." Here is where I want to tell you about our brokerage, eXp Realty. eXp was approached about that same deal, and our CEO, Leo, looked at it and made a different call. He said, "We are not entering exclusive portal arrangements." Starting April 15th, eXp agents, including me, will syndicate coming soon listings simultaneously to Realtor.com, Homes.com, and ComeHome.com, which is the portal that powers Google's real estate search results. And that invitation open to any portal on equal terms. Zillow is welcome to carry our listings too. No exclusivity, no single portal gets first look. Now let me put this in terms. Why this matters if you are selling. Zillow is powerful. 235 million monthly users. I am not dismissing that at all. But Homes.com now has over 100 million monthly users and is the fastest growing real estate portal in the country. Realtor.com has 62 million. And Google just entered the real estate portal space through a product called Come Home, and they process 8.5 billion searches every single day. When that announced, Zillow's stock fell nearly 10% in a single day. That tells you something, yeah? If your home's coming soon listing is exclusive to Zillow, you are invisible to 170 plus million additional buyers during your most critical marketing window. I have a JD. I have spent 22 years looking at risk in transactions, and I will tell you plainly, exclusivity benefits the portal. Wide distribution benefits you. There is also a financial incentive in the Zillow deal that your agent may not be mentioning. Zillow will pay listing agents an extra 10% of their buyer's commission if deal closes through their platform with the Zillow preferred agent buyer. This is a real incentive, and you as the seller should ask your agent whether that arrangement influences where they put their listing. Buyers, this affects you too. Why this matters if you are buying. The Pre-market window is where competition is heating up. If your agent is only watching one platform, you could miss a home that was live elsewhere other than MLS, yeah? And here is the bigger thing I want you to understand. Every major portal right now is building AI-powered conversational search. Homes.com already has one, Zillow is testing one, Realtor.com launched natural language search. Within the next 2 to 3 years, you are not going to browse listings on a portal. You are going to open an app and say, find me 3-bedroom under 700 or 1,000 with a good schools in, let's say, Alpharetta. And that AI will pull from every data feed available to it. If listings are locked in one platform, they will not show up in that search. The buyers who win in that world have agents who understand wide distribution and stay ahead of how search is evolving. One more thing, and this is important for anyone thinking about listing. The coming soon build the buzz limit access strategy was brilliant in 2021. 1 month of inventory, buyers writing offers on homes they hadn't walked through, waiving inspections, bidding 100,000 over asking. That was the market where pre-market hype made sense. That market is already gone. We're in the markets right now with 4 to 5 months of inventory in some parts of Atlanta metropolitan area zip codes. Buyers have options. They are not desperate. They are measured. In this environment, the seller who wins is the one with the widest possible reach, not the one whose listings was curated in one portal's premium placement box for 2 weeks. Tactics are cyclical. The one that wins in one market becomes liability in the next. My job is to know the difference and make sure your strategy fits the market you are actually in, not the one from 4 years ago. If you're thinking about selling your home this spring, anywhere in Atlanta metropolitan area, I want to talk to you about what maximum exposure actually looks like in this market. And if you're buying, let's make sure you have eyes on every platform where the right home might appear. I am Julia de Sosa-Rocha with eXp Realty. Links to reach me are in the description below. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video helped you understand what's happening in this market, please share it with someone who is thinking about buying or selling. This information should not be hard to find. See you in the next video. Bye for now.